Hey guys, so here are the answers to yesterday's assignment. So journal page 298, we started this and did area. On this, I'm just gonna assume you have, it's a 3 by 9 number model. Would be 3 centimeters times 9 centimeters or 27 square centimeters. Okay. Number 3, 7 times 8, I think we did those. 7 times 12 equals 84. So number 5, we were given the length and the width, so 11.3 times 5 equals 56.5 centimeters squared. 56.5 centimeters squared. Okay, this one we were not given the width or the height, so 26 times what number equals 403? Or you could do the backwards, 403 divided by 26, and that would give us the width is 15.5 centimeters. Okay, I'm just going to give you the answers to this. So you had to fill out this information about box 3, 4, 5, and 6. So here are the answers. So you can pause that and check your answers. If you have any questions, let me know. And then I wanted you to do page 302. So if you figured out to find the area or the volume of a rectangular prism, you take the base times the length, the width times length, whatever, times the height. 3 times 5 times 3 is 45 centimeters cubed. Now, the unit now is cubed, we say, with that little 3, because it's a 3-dimensional figure. Base times width times height. Okay? Maybe we're going to fill something full of concrete, or we're going to fill a sandbox full of sand. We want to know how much the container holds. That's what volume is. Okay, this one, little thinking here. Okay, it's the length is 2, the width is 5. The height is 3. So if you do that, 2 times 5 is 10 times 3 would be 30. But we are missing this one row of 5 cubes. So we subtract the 5. So the volume of this one is 25 centimeters cubed. Okay, this one is 40. We're missing quite a few. So you could just count all of the cubes, or you could take the base times the width. So it's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11 times 2 is 22. Times the height of 4. So 22 times 4 would be 88. But we are missing some of the pieces. So not sure, there's more than one way to solve that, but you should have gotten 40 centimeters cubed. Okay, this one, we had a length of 3. It's 2 wide. So 3 times 2 is 6 times how tall? Times 6. So we'd get 3 times 2 is 6 times 6 is 36. But we are missing the depth. We have 2 columns of 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So we'd have to subtract 10. So it'd be 36 minus 10. Or you can just count them too. Okay, so there's more than one way. I always tell you, more than one way to solve a math problem. So just describe how you did it. I counted them all up. I took the length times the width times the height and then subtracted some. Or maybe you just did the base here. You did what was 11 times 2 is 22, and then you just add those on. Down here, now we have containers. Let's say that we are going to fill this full of concrete. So I'm going to just basically take 2 times 3, 6 times 3 is 18 centimeters cubed. Okay, this one, maybe this is a sandbox. We're going to fill it full of sand. 8 times 10 is 80, times 2 is 160 centimeters cubed.